If you're leading an agile transformation, you've likely come across the idea of a product owner, somebody who owns the product that your transformation is there to aid in the delivery. But what are they? What do they do? This isn't necessarily something that companies have today. Your organization may have some people in those roles, they may have different roles covering off what are we building. But the agile world has a very different take on it. In fact, we see lots of people pivoting organizations to be product organizations. And what does that mean? Well, today, that's what we're going to talk about. Hi, my name's John McFadyen. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, managing partner for Agile Center, and I've been using this Agile thing for over 2 decades now. So a product owner, if we go to the Scrum guide, a product owner is the person who is responsible for delivering the right product. And many companies look at that and they think, great, that's a low-level, simple thing. It's somebody who makes decisions on what the team does next, missing completely the nuance. It's not the job that you give to your business analyst to make decisions because they talk to the customers about their problems. It's not a junior role. It's not something somebody does off the side of their desk. These people are integral to the success of your organization. They're strategic thinkers. They're decision makers, often in the absence of enough information. Is that a junior role? Is that something you want to give to somebody who doesn't know what they're doing? I hope not, because it's not likely to be particularly successful. When we're looking for product owners, we are looking for decision makers. We're looking for people who have that holistic view of what this product could be, understanding the market, understanding their customers, their users, their stakeholders, and constantly playing all of these competing needs off of each other to build a great product. It's a difficult job. It's one that requires credibility, authority, and respect from the organization as well as the teams. Very often when I'm talking to product owners, either in training sessions or indeed when consulting, one of the things I have to remind them is they're in a very difficult position. You've got an infinite number of ideas. All of your customers, all of your users, all of your stakeholders, and indeed your developers have great ideas of how to move this product forward, directions it could take. Your product owner has to make the decisions about which directions, which ideas to take forward, because they can't do them all. There's an unlimited supply problem with a very limited ability to meet it. Your product owner is that person who makes that decision. They're the person who synthesizes all of these information streams coming into them and says, we're going this way and we're not doing that, or at least not yet. Hopefully you can understand, as somebody who is in charge of or integral to the success of an agile transformation, that the role of a product owner, somebody who's taking this idea, this product forwards, is going to be key to your success too. So when choosing them, don't choose the first person that comes along. Don't choose the person that it's easy to. Take a step back, consider it, have a think. Is this person a strategic thinker? Are they somebody who can make decisions against all of these competing priorities, upsetting potentially powerful people in the organization? Are they people who understand what the customer needs, what great products look like? Are they people who can make transparent their thinking, expose to criticism, to challenge their ideas, the directions they're going to take? Are they willing to take a step back and let the developers work out how to do the job? Because if they're not that person, then you're not setting yourself up for the best start when looking at the product side of things. Product ownership is a very, very difficult role. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's something that you need to get right. You need to have the right people. Consider at the start, if you have no experience in your organization of product management, of product ownership, maybe an external consultant or bringing in an agile coach with experience as a product manager. This could be valuable to help you set things up properly. Get the experience, get the understanding within the organization. This is how we work with these people. This is what they do. And that way, you can set up your transformation for success.